We're finding radius on this one of a cone, volume of a cone. So always start with the formula. I'll set it up for you, and if you don't know how to do it, I'll explain it tomorrow. Volume of a cone is pi r squared times h divided by 3 because it's 1/3. 1 is invisible in this case. Volume then equals, okay, well let's see, they gave us volume. They said volume is 25 pi. 25 pi equals, okay? That's letting us know, don't change pi to anything but to use pi here. Use pi times radius is r squared times height. We are given height of 12, so put here 12. Okay, now we got two things to get rid of. There's two ways to have done this. You could have gotten rid of this problem on A. Okay. First we got rid of the 3. Divided by divided by 3, right? So we've got rid of the 3 first. We got rid of this 3 by multiplying it by 3. So we're going to do the same times 3 times 3. Okay, cancel that out. We got 75 pi equals to pi times r squared times 12. Okay, this problem here, we can always do the exponent first. We didn't have to do this. Could have did that. 12.6 squared. 156.76. 156.76 times 3.14. And that has to equal to 9126. You can divide by first by 3.14. Okay. And then get 156. H. So 9126 divided by 3.14. You get some answer of, leave it on your calculator, 2906.369427. Then divided by 156.76. Divide by 156.76. You get 18.5 if you round it to the nearest tenth. 18.5, it's a 4, so round it to the nearest tenth. So 18.5 is your height. Very similar to your other answer, right? So same thing here. Get rid of the pi first. Get rid of this pi first by dividing by pi. And that gets rid of that. That's 1. 1 times this is 1. 75 equals. You got 12r squared left. Divide by 12. So 75 divided by 12. You get 6.25. Then take the square root of that. Then the radius is 2.5. Let me make sure. Yeah. So radius is 2.5. I think I have a problem like this on your next quiz or test. I know I do, because it's important you know how to get rid of things like this in a context of the problem. Okay, based on a graph, to the right, what is the coordinates? These are coordinates x and y, are the center of dilation. Okay, the coordinate is 17, 17. That's your coordinate for center of dilation. It's the scale, what is the scale factor to the graph to your right? Okay, it went from, this has a prime, so it went from big to small, so it's a reduction. That means it's going to be a fraction. Fraction of 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's a reduction instead of, so it's a reduction instead of a dilation. So reducing from 3 to 1, reduction of 1/3. 1 out of 3. Okay. Find a distance of x and z. Find this distance of x and z. Anytime we're using distance and we can't find an exact box, we do a squared plus b squared equals 2c squared. Each box represents 6 miles. Wow, okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 6 is 54 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 times 6 is 90. Okay, there's 2 ways to do this. Either you use the number they give you, 9 and 15, as A and B, and find C. After you find C, you can multiply your answer by 6 for 6 miles. Or you can use 56 and 90, and then that's your answer. 54, I mean. C is the distance of x to z. That's what C means. So do the problem, you'll find it, okay? What transformation occurred? Let me make sure. This point looks like it's this point. So it's negative 1, 4, 1, 4. 4, 2, 4, 2. So rotation of 180 degrees. Clockwise counter. Identify all congruent side line segment from the graph. Okay, congruent line segment. W to R. W to R is congruent to, okay, which one does that look like? P, right? Line P. Okay, W to A is congruent to line segment N. A to G is congruent to line segment M, and the last one is R to G is congruent to Q, line segment Q. All right, I'll leave the last 2, C, D, and E, to do in class, because I believe it's your next test question. This is going to be your next test question, and I want to make sure that everyone knows how to do C, D, and E. Oh, you get C, you'll do D and E correctly. But I want to make sure. Any question, I will answer in class.